Welcome to CSC 113, or Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals. In this course, you are going to be introduced to a survey of artificial intelligence and machine learning. You're going to learn about the history, the development, and some of the current applications of both artificial intelligence and one of the major subsets of artificial intelligence, machine learning. So by the end of the session, you will have a firm grasp of the basics of this discipline. I want to make it note for you that in your Moodle course, the very first thing that you should draw your attention to is the enrollment verification quiz. There is some basic information about the quiz, some links to help you understand distance learning, online learning at Alamance Community College, and then a link to complete the quiz. It's very, very important that you complete the quiz as soon as possible because that completion logs your entry into this course. And it is used by the state auditors to identify you as a student in the course. Now, this course is about artificial intelligence, but you're going to notice that there's a statement on the use of artificial intelligence for this course. So one might think, hey, it's a course about artificial intelligence. I mean, we're going to use AI. Yes, AI is having a major effect on everything that we're doing, both in education and in administration and in the workplace. So I want to give you some clarity on how you can use AI in this class. So I'm encouraging you to use it as a research assistant, a brainstorming tools, a way to outline your thinking. But I want you to be very wary that AI is not always perfect. It can make errors. I'm sure you've heard in your course of education, AI hallucinations. Yes, this can happen. Sometimes AI wants to be, your best friend. It's not a person. It's not even a personality. It is a computer that has been trained on vast amounts of data, and it keeps getting better and better, and even sounds like it has the voice of a human being, but it's not. There are times that AI can move you in the wrong direction. So it's up to you to use your own brains to discern what is correct, what is not correct, and to use your own voice when you produce assignment results. You will see that this course takes place across a 8-week semester, and as such, you will see down further in Moodle that there are 8 sections for the course, week by week. I encourage you to spread your work out throughout the week and not try to cram everything in, right at the end before it's due. It's not good for learning. It's not good in that it doesn't give you time to ask your instructor for assistance if you start to get confused. And it is just not good for absorbing the material. It's much better to take it in small steps and spread it out over time. So I'm glad that you've chosen to take this class. I hope that you really go away with the feeling of, wow, I've really learned a lot during this class. You're going to come across some computer programming, some code, but let me just say, you don't have to write any new code yourself, but I am going to provide some Python scripts for you that you will drop into Google Colaboratory and run. So it will be beneficial if you are at least familiar with coding, which I assume you are because you've taken CTI 110, programming and database concepts, and you most likely have taken CIS 115, Introduction to Programming and Logic. That said, again, you don't have to write any new code from scratch. You just have to observe. It's important that you are observant, you're willing to experiment, because that's what this field's all about. All the best, and we'll be moving right ahead. Thanks again for joining.